Magnesium is a powerhouse mineral, absolutely essential for maintaining optimal health and well-being. It's a true workhorse in the world of nutrients. It's deeply involved in over 300 essential processes in your body, playing a crucial role in everything from energy production to muscle function. Think of it as the unsung hero of your internal systems. It keeps your muscles moving, ensuring they contract and relax properly, which is vital for everything from walking to intense workouts. It keeps your heart beating steadily, maintaining a healthy rhythm and supporting overall cardiovascular health. It's a key player in keeping your heart strong and resilient, and it helps turn food into energy, fueling your body at the cellular level and keeping you energized throughout the day. Magnesium is truly essential for metabolic processes. While you can get magnesium from foods, incorporating magnesium-rich options into your daily meals is a great way to boost your intake. Foods like leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are excellent sources. And nuts, including almonds and walnuts, can also contribute to your magnesium levels. However, many people don't get enough from diet alone, due to factors like soil depletion and modern eating habits. That's where supplements come in. They offer a convenient and reliable way to bridge the gap. A simple way to keep your body running smoothly, ensuring you have the magnesium you need to thrive. Magnesium acts like a spark plug for your body, igniting countless biochemical reactions that keep you functioning at your best. It supports healthy blood sugar, helping to regulate insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. It bolsters immunity, playing a role in the development and function of immune cells. It promotes restful sleep, helping to calm the nervous system and regulate sleep hormones. And it stabilizes mood, influencing neurotransmitters that affect emotional well-being. Taking a tablet is an easy investment in your long-term health, a proactive step towards a healthier and happier you. But how does that little tablet get made? What's the journey from raw ingredients to the finished product? Let's pull back the curtain and see the science behind it, exploring the fascinating process of magnesium supplement creation. Get ready to discover the journey of the mighty magnesium tablet, from its origins to your daily routine. So, what exactly goes into a magnesium tablet? Let's take a closer look at the components that make up this essential supplement. The main ingredient, of course, is a magnesium compound. This is the active component responsible for providing the health benefits. Different forms exist, like citrate, known for its bioavailability, oxide, a more cost-effective option, or glycinate, often favored for its gentle effect on the stomach. The specific form is carefully chosen for optimal absorption, ensuring your body can effectively utilize the magnesium. But it's not just magnesium. A tablet is more than just its active ingredient. Tablets need binders like plant-based cellulose, a natural and safe ingredient, to hold everything together, giving the tablet its structural integrity. Lubricants and glidants such as magnesium stearate, a common and effective additive, help the powder flow smoothly into molds, preventing clumping and ensuring consistent tablet weight, and prevent sticking to the machinery during the manufacturing process. Disintegrants like cross-carmellose sodium, a modified cellulose gum, ensure the tablet breaks apart quickly in your stomach, releasing the magnesium for absorption. For fast absorption, maximizing the benefits you receive from each dose, every ingredient is carefully measured and precisely dosed for safety and effectiveness. The result? A tablet that's strong, stable, and reliable, and ready to deliver magnesium where you need it, supporting your overall health and well-being. It's a precise recipe, meticulously designed for quality, consistency, and optimal performance. Now let's see how these carefully selected ingredients come together on the factory floor, transforming into the magnesium tablets you trust. On the factory floor, the process starts with mixing the magnesium compound, binders, and disintegrants in giant mixers. The powders are blended, then moistened to form granules. Think of it like making dough. These granules are dried in fluid bed dryers where hot air tumbles them until perfectly dry. Lubricants are added, and the mixture is ready for compression. Rotary tablet presses use tons of pressure to form each tablet, stamping out hundreds of thousands per hour. Each tablet is identical in size, shape, and dosage. The process is fast, precise, and highly controlled. Next, it's time for quality checks and packaging. Quality control is absolutely crucial. It's the backbone of ensuring that every tablet meets the highest standards of safety and efficacy. It's a multi-layered process, meticulously designed to catch any potential issues before they reach the consumer. Highly skilled technicians rigorously test raw materials upon arrival, scrutinize the granules during production, and meticulously assess the finished tablets. They conduct extensive testing for purity, ensuring that each ingredient is free from contaminants and meets the required specifications. They also assess the strength, guaranteeing that the tablets can withstand normal handling and storage conditions without crumbling or breaking. And they verify consistency, ensuring that each tablet contains the precise amount of active ingredient and performs as expected. Tablets are individually checked for weight, ensuring uniformity and accurate dosage. Hardness is carefully measured to ensure the tablet doesn't break too easily. The speed at which they break down and dissolve is also tested, as this affects how quickly the body can absorb the magnesium. Only tablets that successfully pass every single quality control test are allowed to move forward to the packaging stage. Sophisticated machines accurately count and carefully bottle the tablets, maintaining the highest levels of hygiene. A state-of-the-art sealing machine then hermetically seals each bottle with a tamper-evident foil, guaranteeing product integrity. Labels are applied, clearly stating the precise magnesium content, all the ingredients included in the formulation, the critical expiration date, and a unique batch number, which allows for complete traceability throughout the entire production process. The meticulously labeled bottles are then carefully boxed and prepared for secure shipment to stores nationwide. Finally, they arrive on the shelves, ready for you to pick up and incorporate into your daily routine. From the initial extraction of the raw mineral to the creation of the finished supplement, it's a carefully orchestrated journey, guided by science and executed with unwavering precision. That's how a seemingly tiny tablet delivers a mighty dose of this essential mineral, working to support your overall health and well-being.